Hi, in this video we will quickly overview Leisure Time Spa Down Granular. What is Leisure Time Spa Down Granular? Leisure Time Spa Down is a granular product that lowers water pH and alkalinity. It is important to maintain the water's pH between 7.2 to 7.8. High pH above 7.8 can cause scaling, ineffective sanitizers, or cloudy or colored water. Product benefits. Always maintain the pH of your spa water between 7.2 to 7.8. A high pH above 7.8 can cause scaling or cloudy or colored water. Compatible with all sanitizers, including bromine, chlorine, and biguanide. For more than 25 years, Leisure Time has been the premier name in spa water care. Fast-dissolving granular product. Usage directions. As needed. Step 1. Make sure all equipment is off. Step 2. Add 1/4 ounce, 1½ tablespoon, to the spa water. Step 3. Turn on the circulation system for 30 minutes. Step 4. Retest water. If pH is still above 7.8, repeat steps 1 to 3. Additional information. For best results, dissolve granular products first by adding to a small plastic pail filled with water. Then, apply the solution to the spa water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.